Where do you have those wrinkles? Where do you have those fine lines? Those signs that is making your face look older. Just apply this treatment. Thank me later. Erase those signs of aging. Remove wrinkles, fine lines. Look at this. It's filled with some ingredients, some active ingredients that will delay signs of aging, that will make your skin look like that of a baby. Thank me later. So in case you're new here, you're welcome. I share beauty tips, health tips on this channel. Consider subscribing for more videos to come. Also like this video. Let's go on. So I use some active ingredients, like I said earlier, filled with antioxidants. This is green tea. Green tea is super natural and potent. You can use any one. I'm not promoting any brand, please. Any green tea, as long as it's not the one mixed with any other one. Plain green tea, please. There are some green tea that contains cinnamon. There are some that contains honey, clove. Please get only green tea. Okay, when it comes to beauty treatment, just get the plain one. Green tea contains powerful antioxidant that helps to fight signs of aging, delaying signs of aging, fighting free radical damage that makes you age faster. You want to look younger, right? Are you looking older? This remedy will help you. So what I did there, I just opened the tea bag. I use only the contents. You know, there are some, I would say, dip this into hot water to extract the contents. Like the water will be brownish. You know, the water alone is what you have to use. But this particular one, you have to open it to bring out the powdered tea, the green tea content. As you can see, this is the color. Just pour the content directly. Do not infuse the green tea out using water, no. So this is the right way to do it, so that you get full effects. We are making a mask, anti-aging mask, that will work greatly. So the next ingredient I added is sugar. Sugar contains alpha hydroxyl that helps to hydrate your skin, erasing signs of aging, fighting free radical damage that will make you have dull skin, because it glows the skin, it rejuvenates the skin, it tightens the skin. If you apply sugar, anything marks, any marks that you mix with sugar, you will notice the firming effects instantly. You will notice it yourself. It also glows the skin. It exfoliates the skin to get rid of dead skin cells. The result is massive. So another one is oat powder. Oat powder is one ingredient I love so much. If you don't have oat powder, you can get rice powder or rice flour. Oat powder is so rejuvenating. It exfoliates the skin as well to get rid of dead skin cells. It heals the skin. If you have dry skin, it's going to rejuvenate, hydrate, plump your skin, and make your skin look fresher. Another benefit is the firming ability. It firms a saggy skin. You know, it doesn't work immediately. These are natural ingredients, so you have to give it time. But that is the best way to approach aging. You need to also get vitamin E oil. This is organic vitamin E oil, the one I use for my skincare products. But if you can get the capsule one, which is easily available in a pharmacy, fine. Well, this is organic one. It's a great moisturizer. It's also repairing. It firms the skin, tightens the skin, penetrates deeply to nourish, hydrate, and restore your skin back to normal. So just add it. If you don't have vitamin E oil, you can use sunflower oil. You can also use rosehip oil. These are very good oils that will make your skin look younger and also moisturize your skin further. After emptying one tea bag in this bowl, you have to add 1 tablespoon of oat powder or rice powder. You also have to add half tablespoon of your sugar. Then I added few drops of vitamin E oil or half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Perfect. So you have to mix together. You know, when you are mixing, you need some water or liquid. So I added rose water. Rose water is very good. You benefit so much from it, containing vital nutrients that will nourish your skin further. Like it balances the skin pH. You can use it as a toner. I don't have it right here. I will have displayed, but I added it when I was mixing this. If you don't have rose water, you can use clean water, like the water you use for drinking, or you can use a distilled water, drop by drop, and be mixing gently. So after mixing it, keep it aside, then wash off all dirt from your face, because you want this treatment to penetrate further. Use a lukewarm water or warm water so that your pores will open up for this treatment to penetrate and work better. So I don't have dirt, like my face is properly cleansed. Okay, look at, I don't have dirt. So ensure it's clean so that this will work better. So after this, I will just show you how to apply it. So in case you want to apply it all over your body, perfect, you can do so. You can also apply on your hands for a supple, soft looking hands to minimize wrinkles. You can also apply on your feet. So just cleanse, okay, wash with a gentle soap, a cleanser. Then I will use my hand. You can use a brush. I'll just apply and massage at the same time. Do like this. As you apply, you have to massage. This treatment is for all skin types and complexion. There's no side effect. Of course, they are all natural. No ingredients here are harsh, okay? I didn't add baking soda. I didn't add some ingredients that may not be good for some skin. So you have to apply it on your face and neck. So for your body, you want to apply on your body, just have to increase the quantity of these ingredients, okay, so that it can be much to spread brand. So if you are hearing some little sound, that is rain. It's raining over here, and it's a blessing. Okay, it's a great blessing. Just exfoliate. Exfoliating is by doing it like this, gently, please. This will just give your skin smoothness, make your skin soft, and also exfoliate better. So after doing so, okay, you have to leave this treatment for some time, about few minutes, 15 minutes to penetrate, so that it can work better. So when it gets dried, you feel the tightness. I love it a lot. So you have to use a lukewarm water to rinse out. This treatment will help you if you have roughness, your skin is rough, it's not smooth, or you have acne, tiny acne. But if you have serious acne, painful ones, do not scrub. So I'll rinse it out. I'll be right back to tell you the next thing to do. Stay tuned. So after rinsing it out, it's time for you to apply Vaseline. You need to moisturize, of course, which is very important. Do not leave your skin like that after using a facial mask. Either you use Vaseline or you get some good oils, nourishing oils like rosehip oil, vitamin E oil, sunflower oil. These are very good oils that penetrates and nourish the skin without causing any harm to the skin. Like, it will not clog your skin. So Vaseline is super effective at smoothing fine lines. How it works is you moisturize. Just little is what you need. Do not apply so many. So in case you have oily skin, just a little. I have an oily skin. I don't need to apply so much. But sometimes I don't apply Vaseline. I just go with those oils that I just listed right now. But Vaseline is majorly for those that have dry skin, severe dry skin. Just apply it. Thank me later. So this will glow your skin, moisturize your skin, sealing moisture, like prevents moisture loss. Like, you just have a supple skin. Thank me later. So just do this 3 times weekly. Yeah, this remedy, apply it 3 times weekly. It can be in the morning or night, but I prefer at night, so that when you wake up, you see your skin looking so rich. Make sure you apply a moisturizer after. Thank me later. So with time, when you're consistent with this, you'll be noticing a reduction in those wrinkles and fine lines. If you don't have a specific moisturizer like skincare products, contact us. We have very good facial cream, anti-aging creams, repair treatments, toners, rice toner, turmeric toner that will just brighten and firm your skin. If you have dull skin, just contact us through that WhatsApp and I'll give you the best. But in case you have a very good skincare product, after applying this treatment, go with a light moisturizer like Vaseline or those oils. Then you top with a good facial cream when you're going out for more skin nourishment. And you have a great skin. 3 times weekly and get younger skin. So go on and make yours. Let me know how it goes. Leave a comment down below, and if you have tried something like this, let me also know. This video will help you. Click on this video that is popping. You learn a lot. Like, all these are very good for your skin to stay more youthful. People will be wondering how old you are, because you'll be looking far younger than your age with a bright skin, glowing skin, well moisturized and supple.